us.
Oh, good. I wanted to be the first. But I've got a feeling there's gonna be a lot more, Bert. Come on, let's get started.
Okay.
Big Bird's birthday.
Or let me eat cake.
Oh, hey, happy,
I think you want to say birthday?
oh, yeah, the upper job.
Hi, Prairie. Hi, Elmo.
Happy birthday, guys. Happy birthday, my man.
Thanks, Hoot.
Happy birthday, Big Bird.
Yeah, happy birthday.
It's going to be a great day. We'll be right down, okay?
Yeah.
It's Big Bird's beautiful birthday bash today. It's Big Bird's beautiful birthday bash today.
On this very special date, we are gonna celebrate.
Big Bird's beautiful birthday bash.
With music, presents.
Ice cream!
Trash. What does birthday mean, anyway?
Well, it's the day you were born.
The day you came out of your egg.
Every year on this day, you grow 1 year older.
So we have a party to celebrate your own very special day.
All right.
It's Big Bird's beautiful birthday bash today.
And all his friends are gathered round to say, wave a flag, shake a leg, for the day he came out of that egg. Big Bird's beautiful birthday bash today.
This is my special day?
Right.
How special?
Well, if your birthday was a color, what's your favorite color?
Yellow.
Yellow daffodil.
Buttercups.
Sunshiny weather.
On this very special date, we are going to celebrate Big Bird's beautiful birthday.
Ouch!
Big bird feather.
It's Big Bird's beautiful birthday bash today.
A yellow day.
A mellow day.
And all his friends are gathered round to say,
Our favorite fellow day.
Ouch!
Oscar, what did you do?
I only tried to put them back.
wave a flag,
Shake a leg.
For the day he came out of that egg. Big Bird's beautiful birthday bash today.
What if my birthday was a place?
If your birthday was a place, it would be a meadow in the summer with a clear, cold brook.
A fireside in winter with a picture book.
San Francisco.
Santa Fe.
Any place in Jersey on a rainy day.
A cozy corner with my cats.
A creepy castle full of bats.
it's Big Bird's beautiful birthday bash today. We're getting ready to throw confetti.
And all his friends are gathered round to say,
Don't be tardy, we're gonna have a party. Blow the candles out, get a wish.
what would you wish for?
It's Big Bird's beautiful birthday bash. Big Bird's beautiful birthday bash today.
Good evening. Alistair Cookie here. Welcome to Monster Beast Theater. Tonight, me bring you classic musical called The King and I. It's about the king and the letter I. That's where they get the title from. Very good title. And now, sit back and enjoy The King and I. Oh, you lowercase letter I. You are so cute with your little dot. And you start words that I love, like igloo, ink, ice cream, and so on, etc., etc., etc. And because of this, your lovable and cute king wishes to dance with you. Yes, yes, do it. And so end the king and I. Short, but so what? This Alistair Cookie saying bye-bye from Monster Peace Theater.
This is my horse, Strawberry. I'm going to take him for a ride. First, I put on the blanket and I put on the saddle. I have to climb up on the fence and get his bridle and put it on him. Then I take Strawberry out of the corral. A corral is where you keep your horses. I need my older brother to help me get up on Strawberry. Then we're ready to ride. Strawberry is a very good horse. He knows I'm learning to ride and he doesn't go too fast. When we're all done, we ride back to the corral. When I finish riding, I put Strawberry back with the other horses. And I get some hay and some oats for Strawberry. Then all the horses start coming where the hay and the oats are. It feels nice to take care of my horses. They like me, and I like them.
Hello, I'm Jake the Snake, and I've been asked to demonstrate body parts to you. First of all, hands. Now, forget about hands. Okay, feet. Not too likely. Not feet. Or toes. Let's see. Knees. Waist. Elbows. Hold it. Observe the cake. Mouth. Neck. Shoulders. Chest. Stomach. And rattle.
Say, where's the birthday bird? Oh, there you are.
Okay, is everybody ready to go? Boy, am I happy to be going roller skating on my birthday. This is great. Well, what are we waiting for?
Well, we were waiting for you. Now we can go roller skating.
Have fun, everybody. You're not going to recognize this street when you get back. Bye.
Goodbye, Bert. Have fun.
Wait a minute. What do you mean, bye? You're coming, Snuffy.
No, Bert. I'm gonna stay and help put up the decorations.
Oh, but you've got to come, Snuff.
No, Bert. I have to stay and help with the decorations.
Oh, but Snuffy, this is my roller skating party.
But decorations are very important.
I think I understand why you have to stay here, Snuffy. You know how to put up decorations. Don't know how to roller skate, huh?
That's right, Bert. Life.
But Snuffy, that's no reason to stay here. I can teach you how to roller skate.
You can?
Sure, come on.
But Bert, I don't have any roller skates,
Well,
Bert.
that's okay. We can rent you a pair. What size do you wear?
65 triple G. And I'll need 4 of them.
No problem.
Oh, hi, Mr. Williams.
Hi, Elmo.
What are you going to do with that stick?
Oh, Elmo, there's lots of things you can do with this stick. You can start off, you can be playing baseball in the World Series. Hit it over the fence and realize, I'm the one. Or maybe you can be playing hockey. Shoot at the goal. Be the goalie. Oh, I saved it. I saved it. Oh, maybe you can also be playing basketball with Manute Bol. Yeah, and you dribble past it and score. Yes! Or you can be at the Olympics throwing the javelin. 800 yards. Oh, or you can be doing incredible things like while riding a horse through the pass, leading all the wagons through, or it could be a cane, and you're dancing around with Tommy Tune. Okay, or it can be
A conductor's baton. Thank you, Judy and Sissy, for that lovely Rolling Stone melody.
or you can be at the head of the parade, or you
Can be an English officer marching for no reason around, back and forth, or you could be playing pool right now, shooting that side ball right in there.
ping, or you can be Gene Shalit, or Pinocchio. I have 2 Academy Awards, Elmo. Things like that. Most of all, the best thing I could do with this stick, give it to you.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Mr. Williams.
You got it, Elmo.
Now what is Elmo going to do with this stick?
Above it all, I love to fly. Above it all, there in the sky. The world below, above was I was above it all. Below some folks left in a house. Below those folks there crept a mouse. Below the mouse the beetle sat. Below is not where I was at. Above it all, I love to fly. Above it all, there in the sky. The world below, above was I was above it all. Below some dudes went for a sail. Below those dudes there swam a whale. Below the whale a submarine. Below is not where I was seen. Above it all, I love to fly. Above it all, there in the sky. The world below, above was I was above it all. And then one day I heard a sound. Came from above, turned me up.
It's Irish enough.
John Alcott. And a fine.
To my surprise, I saw a dove. I was below, he was above the dove. Clouds were in flight. Above the clouds, sun
Oh, no.
He said,
Just change your song.
above it all, I love to fly. Below it too, there in the sky. Above it now, below am I. Above, below it all. 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 At last I know it all. At last I know it all. Above, below it all.
Come on, Berketeer. Wait, 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 wait.
Forgetful. That way.
Okay,
Ernie! Whoa, wow, you look...
Thanks,
Whoa.
Snuffy. Say, don't you want to join us?
No way, Bert.
But Snuffy, I want to teach you how to skate.
I'm not sure that I want to learn, Bird.
But we could have a great time skating together.
I'm sure we could, Bird, but I'm feeling too afraid.
Snuffy, what are you afraid of?
Falling down.
Oh. But Snuffy, falling down is part of roller skating. Why, just look at Alice. She doesn't seem to mind falling down.
She is a lot closer to the ground than I am, Bird. Everybody's a lot closer to the ground.
Well, I'm not, Snuffy.
But you know how to skate, Bird.
And so will you if you let me teach you.
Oh, right. Yeah, I never thought of that, Bird. Okay, I'm gonna learn how to roller skate.
Good.
I suppose I have to get down there on the rink, huh?
Sure, but I'll help you, Snuffy. That's what friends are for, you know.
All right, Bart. Oh, I think I will just stay up here for now, Bird.
Some of us have feathers.
Some of us have fins.
Some of us are furry.
And some of us have grins. We swim and hop and slither.
And leap and soar and run.
We all live together on a planet called the sun. We are all earthlings. We are all earthlings. Spinning around together on a planet called the sun. We live in a desert.
We live inside a tree.
We live high in the mountains or deep beneath the sea.
We live in tents and cabins,
In houses just for one.
and we all live together on a planet called the sun. We are all earthlings. We are all earthlings. Spinning around together on a planet called the sun. Floating down a river, swinging through the trees, climbing up a mountain, going with the breeze.
All of us can have a happy, healthy place to be.
If we can on a planet of the sun.
Four. The number four.
You sure this is an honest-to-goodness spaceship? Who cares? We're going up, aren't we? The trouble with you is you're just envious of my idea. Oh, yeah? You're envious of my being the pilot. I'm the pilot. Oh, yeah? I'm the pilot. Oh, you are not.
I sure don't envy it.
Four.
Welcome to Lifestyles of the Big and Little, the show that takes you into the fabulous world of the very, very big and the very, very little. Hello, I'm Dickie Tick, and today I'm going to take you to visit the fantastically tiny home of the fabulously small Sylvia Little. Each morning, Sylvia Little wakes up in her little itty-bitty bed and takes a brisk jog around her itsy-bitsy little bedroom. Then it's off to her little tiny hot tub for a bit of relaxation before breakfast. I asked Sylvia how it felt to be so very, very little, and here is what she had to say. I couldn't have said it better myself. And now you've seen how a typical day begins in the fabulous world of the fantastically tiny Sylvia Little. But what of the fabulous world of the very, very big? For that, our cameras went to the incredibly huge home of the fantastically big Lyle Large. Here in the monstrous master bedroom, we found a bed so big it would not all fit in the picture at the same time. This is the bed of Lyle Large. We were hoping to have a word with Lyle, but he couldn't be reached for comment. When Lyle Large climbs out of his amazingly big bed each day, he heads straight for his incredibly big bathroom, where he brushes his teeth with an unbelievably big toothbrush. And then Lyle is ready to face the day in the fantastic world where the very, very big and the very, very small live the fabulous lifestyles that you and I can only dream about. That's all for now, but be sure to join us next time for Lifestyles of the Big and Little. Until then, this is Dickie Tick saying, ciao, bambinos.
Slam it, dunk it, be careful with your aim. Litter is a problem we can fix with the game. Pick it up, shoot it from the line, or bring it to the basket. Every shot is fine. Think, if everybody dropped their litter in the street, what would happen to our planet? It wouldn't be too neat. There are places you can put it. Put your trash in the can, put your litter in the basket, and we'll be your biggest fan. Pick it up, dunk it. Toss it in the trash can. can fill it to the top. The earth is getting dirty and this is no time to stop. 2 points, 4 points, 6 points, 8. Cleaning up the litter isn't something that can wait. Dribble in, lay it up, get your feet up off the ground. If you miss your first shot, go and get the rebound. Foul shots the referee, take another shot. Everybody back away, and now you're getting hot. Shoot it from the outside, 3-point score. Swish it through the basket, that's what the cannon's for. Pass it to your left and pass it to your right. Everybody on our team is out of sync. So slam it or dunk it, be careful with your aim. A litter is a problem we can fix with the game. Pick it up, shoot it from the line, or bring it to the basket. Every shot is fine. Slam it, pick it up, dunk it, shoot it.
Hi, I'm Lillian, and I'm also a big sister. I didn't always think being a big sister was so great. Like the time my little sister took my best doll, and when I took it back, she cried. Then my dad came in and said I should share. And I was angry. I was really mad. So I shouted and stamped my feet, and I felt a little better. But then my dad came back and gave me a big hug and a kiss, and told me he was proud of the way I shared. So I guess being a big sister isn't so bad after all.
Look at this cake.
Great. Big Bird's gonna love it. Happy birthday, Big Bird.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think everybody's gonna love it.
Yeah, if they like standing up. You know, we don't have enough chairs.
No problem. I have 4 at home.
Yeah, well, I have 4 too, but we need more than that.
We'll find more. Let's
okay.
go.
Okay.
Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. Oh boy, me so hungry today. What me going to eat? It smells so good. Something smells delicious. Oh, cake! Oh boy! Ah! Oh, wait, cake have writing on it. It say, look, it say, happy birthday. Oh boy. Big Bird. Big Bird, happy birthday, Big Bird. Happy birthday, Big Bird. Birthday cake. Oh boy, me love birthday cake. Cowabunga. Ah, wait, what me doing? Me no can eat Big Bird's birthday cake. That's special cake. No. Well, on the other hand, me could take teeny bite. Off corner. Nobody know. Oh, no. Me no can do that. Oh, no. What me going to do? Me so hungry. What me going to do? Me eat cake. No. Oh, no. Me in deep internal conflict. Oh, me so hungry. But me can no eat cake. What me eat something else instead. What can me eat? Chair! Oh, not bad, but what else? Oh, table! Me still hungry.
Saw a monster in the mirror when I woke up today. A monster in my mirror, but I did not run away. I did not shed a tear or hide beneath my bed. Though the monster looked at me, and this is what he said. He said, wubba, 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 woo, woo, woo. Wubba, 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 and a doodly-doo. He sang wubba, 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 so I sang it too. Do not wubba, wubba me or I will wubba you.
Do not wubba me or I will wubba you.
Told the monster in the mirror, no, I am not scared. Then I smiled at him and thanked him for the song that we had shared. Well, the monster thanked me too. He smiled right back, and then the monster in the mirror sang his song again. He sang wubba, 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 woo, woo, woo. Wubba, 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 and a doodly-doo. He went wubba, 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 and I sang along. 'Cause wubba, wubba, wubba is a monster song.
Wubba, wubba, wubba is a monster song. Wubba, 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 woo, woo, woo. Wubba, 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 and a doodly-doo.
He went wubba, 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 and I sang along.
Wubba, 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 wubba.
'Cause wubba, wubba, wubba is a monster song.
Wubba, wubba, wubba is a monster song. Wubba, 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 woo, woo, woo. Wubba, 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 and a doodly-doo.
He said wobble, 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 and sing along. Wobble, wobble, wobble is a monster song. Wobble, wobble, wobble is a monster song.
If your mirror has a monster in it, do not shout. This kind of situation does not call for freaking out. And do nothing that you would not like to see him do. 'Cause that monster in the mirror, he just might be you. Singing wubba, 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 woo, woo, woo. Wubba, 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 and a doodly-doo. Wubba, 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 you can join in too.
Wubba, 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 wubba. Yes, if you wubba me, then I will wubba you.
If you wubba me, then I will wubba you.
Yes, if you wubba me, then I will wubba you.
If you wubba me, then I will wubba you.
Going wubba, wubba, wubba is the thing to do.
Every time you wubba us, we'll wubba you.
Hey, wubba, man.
Bert!
Ah!
Okay, I know. Just a second. Hello? Oh, hi, Harriet. How are you? I'm fine. No, I wasn't doing anything important. Are you coming to the bridge club tonight? Now, you gonna bring the chips and the dip? Oh, that would be just swell. You bring the cookies, too? How about one of those party mixes? Oh, gosh, we could put peanuts and Chex. Oh, wouldn't that be wonderful? Well, how about dinner? What are you making for dinner tonight? Are you trying that new recipe that you got in that magazine? Did you clip it out? Oh, I know. I've never seen stroganoff look quite like that. Well, I tried to get one of those patterns. Oh, it just didn't work out. Oh, yeah. If I came home with that on, Ralph would just kill me. Oh, my gosh. Wait a minute. There you are. Come and get it.
Thea's going to help us with some addition with her favorite toy. 1 ball plus 1 ball equals 2 balls. 2 balls. 2 balls. 2 balls. Plus 2 balls equals 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, Snuffy! At least part of you has made it out onto the rink. Now will you let me teach you how to skate?
Not yet, Bird. I'm still too afraid. I think I better stay here for a while.
Well, are you ever gonna let me teach you how to skate, Snuffy?
I don't know, Bird.
Don't let go! Don't let go! Bob. Hey, what a great party for Big Bird's birthday, huh?
It sure is.
Okay.
You know, I haven't skated in years. I forgot how much fun it is.
So did I.
Yeah, but where's Oscar? He should be here.
Come on, Telly, you don't really think Oscar would come to a birthday party, do you?
Ding dong, you're wrong.
Oscar!
I don't believe it. Oscar at Big Bird's birthday party?
Hey, I'm not here for anybody's birthday party. I'm here for the roller skating, huh?
I didn't know you liked to skate, Oscar.
I don't. I like the falling down part. Yeah, it's a nice ride down, and it puts some good dents in my trash can. Okay, skate on there, Bruno. Bruno, what are you doing? You're skating good. Hey, no fair. You've been practicing. Hey, get him. Oh, you missed him. Come on, Bruno, what do you think you're doing? Hey, here, get them. Oh, boy. Bruno, come on, fall down, will ya? Bruno, look at this guy. Do it like him. Oh, go! Nice shot. What are you doing now, Bruno? Whoa. Show up.
I didn't know he could skate so well either.
Hey, Bruno, watch me. We'll talk about this later, Bruno.
Hey, that's fantastic.
That's incredible, Bruno.
Oh, wow. Wow. At least the day wasn't a total loss.
Hey, you're just in time to see me have some fun with my friend Whoopi Goldberg. Yeah, you ready, Whoopi?
I'm ready, Hoots.
Good. This is gonna be great. Okay, now my friend Whoopi Goldberg and I are gonna talk about how proud we are about our feathers. I am very proud of my feathers, see, and I know she is.
Wait
See,
a
look
minute.
What?
Wait a minute. What do you mean feathers?
Huh?
I don't have any feathers.
You don't?
No, I don't. So I can't talk about being proud about feathers. I have hair and I have skin. And I can talk about how proud I am about my hair and my skin. I'm really very proud of my hair and my skin. But I do not have feathers.
Okay, child. Oh, I'll think of something else then.
Okay.
Yeah. Whoopi Goldberg and I are going to talk about how proud we are about our wings. Yeah, wings. See, I'm very proud of my wings, and I know she is definitely.
Excuse me.
I say. What?
Beg your pardon. Are you talking about wings?
Yeah, wings. You know, like flapping. See, flapping, baby.
I don't have wings.
Oh, really?
You see? No, I don't. So I can't talk about being proud of wings. I have arms and legs. Flap my arms, but I do not have wings.
Okay.
Right.
You know, calm down.
Right.
And then we'll talk about how proud we are about our beaks. Yes. See, look at that. See, I got a beak right
No,
here.
listen, you.
What?
Look at my face. Look, real close. Now, do you see a beak? No, you don't.
No,
You
I don't.
see that I have a nose, but I do not have a beak.
Yes. No, you don't.
Well.
Okay, enough. Listen, I was just playing with you.
Oh.
I know you don't have feathers or wings or a beak.
Hoots.
All in fun, Whoopi.
All right.
And you handled it well.
Thank you.
I am very proud of you, woman.
Well, I say very proud of you, Owl.
Whoopee!
That's my name.
That's right.
Skin covered all over with beautiful skin. Skin covered all over from ankle to chin. Lovely skin on knees and noses and everywhere. Skin on tummies and toes and under your hair. It's even there. hair, oh skin. Wonderful colors and beautiful tones. Skin. Think of without it, you're nothing but bones. Skin is ever so lovely, no matter the color you're in. Let's hear it for skin. Beautiful skin. Without skin for touching and rubbing, how much we'd miss. There'd be no hands for shaking and scrubbing, and just think of this, no cheeks to kiss, oh skin. Wonderful colors and beautiful tones. Skin, keeping the water off muscles and bones. Skin is ever so lovely, no matter the color you're in. Let's hear it for skin. Beautiful skin. Let's hear it for skin. Beautiful skin.
Oh, delicious lamppost. You light up me life. Now, what this? It's a Sesame Street. Well, it's okay. It not say happy birthday, Big Bird, so me can eat it. Stale. Oh, no, me still hungry. What else can me eat? Oh, let me see. Aha! 3. Me eat 3. No. Tree good for environment. No, me no eat tree. What else can me eat? Me no can eat cake. Me see something. Mailbox.
Well, Snuffy, what do you think? Are you ready to learn how to skate?
You know, Bert, I think that I am.
Oh, well, that's, you mean you're not afraid anymore?
Well, I'm still afraid, Bert, but it looks like so much fun, I want to learn how anyway.
Well, that's very brave.
I guess it is. All right, what do I do first?
Oh, well, you just do this. Sort of like that, Snuff.
Wow, sorta like this?
No, not quite like that.
Oh, dear. Well, I don't know what to do.
Oh, well,
Bert.
let's see. You sort of like a step and push, and step and push, like that.
Step and push.
No. I think you have your feet too far apart. Like, why don't you try putting one foot in front of the other?
What? One foot in front of the other?
Yeah, now put your other foot. Put your other foot in front of the other one.
Oh, dear. I don't know.
Oh, just keep putting one foot in front of the other, Snuff. Put one foot in front of the other. That's the easiest thing to do. Put one foot in front of the other. Snuff, don't worry, 'cause I'm here with you.
Put one foot in front of the other.
Just do that for a little while.
Put one foot in front of the other.
Pretty soon you'll have gone a mile.
Do it slow until you feel good. And you know you're doing real good.
And you see, there's nothing to it. Stick with me, and I'll help you do it.
Snuffy, you can do it. Snuffy, you can do it.
I just know I'm gonna fall down. And if I don't fall down, I'm gonna crash into somebody. And if I don't crash into somebody, I'm gonna throw up. And if I don't throw up, I'm gonna fall and break the skates, and they're gonna charge me for them.
Remember, hold on.
Oh, yeah!
Got a good grip?
Oh, yeah! Take a little tiny step and watch your balance and keep your poise. If you need us, we can help. And
If you're lucky, you'll make lots of noise.
yes, we're here and we can guide you. Nice to have a friend beside you. If you fall, we'll give a hand up. Snuffy, all you do is stand up. All you do is stand up. All you do is stand up. All you do is stand up.
Now your confidence is growing.
And your face is kind of glowing. And it's finally worth the waiting.
Don't look now, but you're roller skating.
I am roller skating.
You are roller skating. He is roller skating. Put one foot in front of the other. Now we're skating and it's so much fun. Put one foot in front of the other.
That's the way that is.
What?
That's the way that is.
What?
That's the way that is.
Watch out!
Whoa.
It's
I did it!
Excuse me. Oh, newspaper, delicious, but gone. Oh well, no news is good news. Ah. Oh, but me still want cake. Oh, me no can help myself. Me no can wait. Me have to eat cake.
Oh, Cookie. Cookie, what have you done?
Why not ask me what me have not done? Me not eat cake. Oh, not yet anyway. Oh, but me want it more than ever. Oh, quick. Move cake before me eat it. Hurry, hurry. Ah! Okay, thank you. That was a close one. Thank you for your cooperation. You can put it back now.
Oh, I don't know, Cookie.
Go
I
put
don't
it
know.
back. Trust me. It's okay. It's fine. Put it right back. Ah! You good at this.
I was feeling low, I was kind of blue, but that's all gone since I got something new.
I got a new way to walk, walk, walk. I got a new way to walk, walk, walk. I got a new way
believe it. I can't believe Cookie Monster ate the tables. And the chairs. And Sesame Street.
He didn't eat all of everything. He just nibbled.
Where's Big Bird's birthday cake?
Uh-oh. Cookie Monster didn't get to the cake, did he?
No, he didn't get to the cake.
Then where is it?
547 candles on the cake. Ha-ha, that's 548 candles.
That's it, Count. He's only 6.
The cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Big Bird. Happy birthday to
Okay, got it. Got it? Here goes. I got my wish.
What, already? What did you wish for?
I wished I could blow out all the candles.
Well, we've seen how to take care of Big Bird on Big Bird's birthday. How about cats and dogs? A program of practical tips for pet lovers. Next, this Sunday morning. And there'll be more Sesame Street again tomorrow morning at 9, and tomorrow afternoon at 5, and it carries on through the week, Monday through Friday.
Oh, that was delicious. Oh, now, what come after cake? Dessert. What dessert? Dessert.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letter I.
Dessert!
And by the number 4, okay?
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.
Me still hungry. Oh, me need lunch now. How about breakfast? Oh, how about midnight snack?